Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the profile picture of your G Suite's or Google Workspace account or Gmail, especially when you see errors like you can't change the profile picture for this account. These errors mean that your Google Workspace admin has restricted profile picture updates from your end. Let's fix that in this quick 2 minutes video. Step 1. Log into Google Admin Console. Go to admin.google.com. Log in using a Google Workspace Super Admin account. If you're not the admin, contact your organization's IT manager or admin team. Without admin access, you won't be able to bypass these Gmail profile picture restrictions. Step 2. Navigate to the Users section. In Admin Console, click on Users. Select the user whose profile picture you want to change. This applies if the profile image is locked in Gmail by organization policy. Step 3. Upload the new profile picture. Click on the user's name. Then click the current profile picture, the avatar icon. Upload a new image from your computer. Once uploaded, this overrides the admin-locked Gmail profile picture. Step 4. Confirm changes in Google account. Visit the user's account at myaccount.google.com, personal info. The updated profile picture should appear here now. This confirms that the admin-enforced profile restriction has been bypassed. Final summary. If you're locked out of updating your Gmail or Google profile photo and see either of these messages, your profile picture is managed by your organization. You can't change the profile picture for this account. It means your Google Admin Console settings are preventing the change. So do as above, and you are done. If this video helped you solve the issue, hit like, subscribe, and check our channel for more Google Workspace tutorials. Have a question? Drop it in the comments.